Good morning, students. Have a great, positive, and beautiful day. So, in this video, we will start chapter number 3 Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. Students, please open your books at page number 191. First topic is the Prime Minister. In parliamentary form of government, our president is only a nominal head of the state. The Council of Ministers, headed by the Prime Minister, is the most powerful institution in Indian polity. The President acts in accordance with their advice in the exercise of his functions. Next topic is appointment of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is appointed by the President. Please mark it. The Prime Minister is appointed by the President. The President invites the leader of the majority party in the Lok Sabha to form the government. The members of the majority party elect their leader to be appointed as a Prime Minister. Then the President appoints him as a Prime Minister. When no single party secures an absolute majority in the Lok Sabha, then the President may have used his discretionary power to appoint the Prime Minister. Next topic is qualification. Must be citizen of India. He must be member of either House of Parliament, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. If he is not a member of any house, he must become within 6 months of his appointment. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, जिस भी पार्टी को हमारी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट की जो इलेक्शंस होते हैं उसमें मेजॉरिटी मिलती है, उसके लीडर को जो है वो प्रेसिडेंट जो हैं वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपॉइंट करने के लिए बुलाते हैं. ठीक है, अगर वो पर्सन मेजॉरिटी नहीं शो कर पाता तो प्रेसिडेंट अपनी डिस्क्रिशनरी पावर का यूज़ करते हैं. वो किसी और पार्टी को मेजॉरिटी प्रूव करने के लिए बोलते हैं और उस पार्टी में जो पार्टी मेजॉरिटी प्रूव कर देती है उस पार्टी के लीडर को वो लोग प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपॉइंट कर देते हैं. कई बार बेटा इसमें ऐसी सिचुएशन सामने आ जाती हैं कि कुछ रिप्यूटेड पर्सन जो हैं वो इलेक्शन हार जाते हैं. ऐसी स्टेज में वो लोकसभा के मेंबर नहीं होते लेकिन उन्हें गवर्नमेंट में रखा जाना होता है क्योंकि वो मेन बॉडी होती है. तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में उन्हें 6 मंथ का टाइम दिया जाता है ताकि वो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट में ज्वाइन कर सके. मतलब वो राज्यसभा या लोकसभा किसी एक में 6 महीने के अंदर अंदर उनको उनमें किसी एक का मेंबर बनना पड़ता है. The normal term of the Prime Minister is 5 years, but it is automatically reduced if the House is dissolved earlier. Next topic is Council of Ministers. Article 75 of the Constitution states that the Prime Minister shall be appointed by the President and other ministers shall be appointed by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister. Next one is categories of the Council of Ministers. The Council of Ministers had 3 categories of ministers. First is the Cabinet Minister, State Minister and the Deputy Minister. Cabinet Minister. They are most important members of the Council of Ministers. They hold important portfolios. Portfolios means departments like Home Ministry, Defense Ministry, Finance Ministry, External Affairs, Railway Department. Second one is Ministers of State. They are our second category of ministers. They may or may not hold an independent charge of any portfolio. The Prime Minister may or may not consult them. Means they are a helper bodies of the cabinet. Third category is deputy ministers. They are third category of ministers who assist the ministers. They are junior ministers and are senior ministers whom they have to assist. In next topic we will discuss powers and functions of the Prime Minister and individual and collective responsibility. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Timing which is allotted to you according to your timetable, or you can send me a pic on my WhatsApp number. I will explain to you each and every. Thank you.